Hello, football fans. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting matchups of the season, the Copa del Rey final between FC Barcelona and Real Betis. It's a clash of titans, with Barcelona looking to extend their trophy streak, while Betis aims to upset the Giants. But before we jump into the tactics and players to watch, let's look at how these two teams have been performing leading up to this huge match. First up, Barcelona. The Catalan Giants have been in incredible form this season under Xavi Hernandez. The team has shown resilience, a powerful attacking style, and a rock-solid defense, with stars like Robert Lewandowski, Pedri, and Gavi leading the charge. But it hasn't always been smooth sailing. The team has faced some tough tests, and their rivals will be gunning for an upset in this Copa del Rey final. Can they lift another trophy under Xavi's reign? On the other side, we have Real Betis. Managed by Manuel Pellegrini, they've been a revelation this season, punching well above their weight. The Andalusians are known for their tactical discipline and flair in attack, with players like Juanmi, Nabil Fekir, and Borja Iglesias who have been instrumental in their run to the final. Real Betis are not to be underestimated, and their journey to this final has been nothing short of remarkable. They will definitely be looking to spoil Barcelona's dreams of another trophy. This match is more than just a final, it's a chance for both clubs to secure silverware for their fans. FC Barcelona will be eager to win their 32nd Copa del Rey, while Real Betis, who last won this prestigious competition in 2005, are determined to make it to cups in just under 20 years. Now, let's talk key players. For Barcelona, all eyes will be on Robert Lewandowski. His clinical finishing and experience in big matches will be crucial for the team's success. Don't forget about Pedri and Gavi, who can control the tempo and provide that magic in midfield. On the Betis side, Juanmi has been exceptional this season, and his ability to score goals in high-pressure games could prove to be the difference. The defense will also need to be sharp, especially against Barcelona's attacking juggernaut. Defensively, both teams will have to be on their toes. Real Betis will be hoping that their defense, led by Marc Bartra and Essa Mendy, can keep Barcelona's powerful attack at bay. Meanwhile, Barcelona will be relying on Jules Koundé and Marcos Alonso to neutralize the threat from Betis' forward line. As for tactics, we can expect Barcelona to dominate possession, using their high press and ball circulation to break down Betis' defense. Xavi Hernandez is known for his tactical setups, and in a final, expect Barcelona to go all out for the win. Betis, on the other hand, will likely sit back and look for opportunities to strike on the counter. They'll need to capitalize on Barcelona's occasional defensive lapses and make the most of set pieces. So, who will come out on top? Will FC Barcelona lift the Copa del Rey again? Or will Real Betis stun the football world and take home the trophy? The stakes couldn't be higher, and the drama is guaranteed. We'll be back with a post-match analysis and all the highlights once the game is over. Make sure to subscribe to stay updated and hit that like button if you're excited for the match. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Visca el Barca. And let's see if Betis can pull off the impossible. See you next time.